Here's a quick video on the status of SharpeShooter 3. So everything has been changed to the 24 volts at this point, except for the voltage to reset the drop targets. That's currently up at 48 volts, and that is working well. The current problem that I'm seeing is that the flippers seem very underpowered compared to what I was getting with the previous version of the 24 volts using 2 PC power supplies. That's kind of disappointing. There is a voltage adjustment that I can try and up the voltage slightly. I also have a 36 voltage power supply that I could down adjust to try and get it to be a little bit less. Got a couple ideas, but haven't really tried any of them yet. So let's actually quickly start the machine so we can see something, so it's just not me talking. We're still in the debug mode, so the debug mode, I tell it when to start the communications and when to start the running the rules. Reason for that is that if I'm just debugging it on my laptop and I'm not near the machine, I can disable the communications thread, and then I can just simulate all of the different switches using the buttons that I have on the little QT thing, the QT screen here. Let's start everything up, and let's see. Let's start let's hit the start button.
You got plenty to learn.
Here, Joe. Thanks, Joe. So, oh, I'm going to get that skill shot. So that's the skill shot. There you can see the flippers are really kind of just not nearly powerful enough. Ugh, gosh. Okay. So since I got 2 of the skill shots, I could actually start a mode at this point, which would be getting it into that hole, but I don't even know if the flippers have enough power to do that. Could also be that I have the initial kick of the flippers too low at this point. So, I'm not really sure. So it still shows, you can see with the pick job, that I still have a job available. I might actually cheat. That seems wrong to cheat. Yeah, it does.
Call the posse.
With this one, you use your right flipper to go through the different modes
Target practice.
and pick whatever one that you feel.
Snapper. Sharp attack.
I'll do sharp attack just because I can.
Sharp attack skill.
That wasn't good. So that's where we currently are. You could definitely see that the flippers are underpowered at this point. I'm going to try and change the voltage. I'm going to try and use the voltage adjust on the power supply to see if I can kick the voltage up a little bit higher. Other options is I might actually go to slightly higher voltage on the power supply. I have a 36 volt power supply that I might be able to walk down to less voltage so that it doesn't kill my FETs. One of the things that is different now than what used to be is that I have cheaper FETs, and the FETs that I have currently have more resistance than what the old ones did. I was using a couple IRL FETs before, which could handle a little bit higher current. So that's where we're at. Thanks.